As one of the first company in China to research and manufacture metal keyboards, Shenzhen Davo Electronic has been deeply involved in the industry for over a decade. We are committed to the path of independent research and development and innovation, constantly introducing new products. Davo Electronic has developed into a custom solutions provider for numerous renowned enterprises such as China Coal Group, Gene Energy Holdings, Sany Heavy Machinery, Siemens Energy, particularly in the fields of coal mine safety, explosion-proof technology, maritime equipment, photovoltaic equipment, automation machinery, and defense. Our product research and development have achieved several industry firsts. Behind the rapid growth, there's a person who is inseparable, and that person is Wu Lin, the founder of Davo Electronics. By a stroke of fate, Wu Lin arrived in Shenzhen and discovered that at the time, the domestic metal keyboard industry heavily relied on imports, with the market dominated by European countries, particularly Germany. With dreams in her heart, Wu Lin established her lifelong career goal to create a high-end custom industrial keyboard brand for China. The first goal is to change the perception of Chinese manufacturing in foreign markets and become a shining star in the manufacturing industry. The second goal is to fulfill a dream. Therefore, being in this industry is not only about development but also about pursuing a dream. In 2010, Shenzhen Davo Electronics Company Limited was officially founded, but the journey ahead was far from smooth, marked by solitude and enduring challenges. In the early stages, to address market recognition issues, Davo started by tackling typical industry pain points and, with innovative products, used this as a starting point to gradually expand its market share. We don't just sell products to you, we sell a valuable brand. Customer-centric, continually creating added value for customers, is the belief that Davo Electronics holds dear on its journey of growth. Value is based on innovation, and value is judged by the customers. With the intensification of market competition, Davo Electronic does not stick to old ways but actively seeks change. We continuously explore customer pain points and demands, engage in ongoing research and development innovation, iterate our products, and consequently, enhance our brand value. At the same time, unlike traditional manufacturing companies, Davo Electronic is unafraid to challenge itself and has long embraced digitalization and intelligence as part of its transformation. It views driving the upgrade of China's manufacturing industry as a driving force for its own growth. Quality determines the brand, and quality is the cornerstone of a company's survival and development. Relying on products, services, and brand, we have closely managed our quality and have obtained ISO 9001 quality system certification, as well as CE, FCC, RoHS certificates. We hold multiple invention and utility model patents, numerous computer software copyright certificates, and have been honored with various awards including Member Unit of China Defense Industry Enterprise Association, Innovative Small and Medium-Sized Enterprise in Shenzhen, and Technology-Based Small and Medium-Sized Enterprise, among others. In this field, we aim for continuous growth, extending the lifespan of our enterprise. We seek to expand and evolve, requiring organizational adaptability and the cultivation of more young talent. China is transitioning from being an industrial powerhouse to becoming an industrial superpower. This journey presents both opportunities and challenges. The developmental journey of Davo Electronics bears witness to the growth and transformation of small and medium-sized enterprises in China's manufacturing sector. All of this will converge into a force that propels us into the future.